Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today we are continue our journey in the must try AI tools in Canva. Here in a part 29 I will show you another funny nice application called Typewarp. With this application we can create a warp text in a very easy effortless way. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. As usually, first we are checking the application in the Canva app library. As I mentioned, it's called Typewarp. Create stunning text warp effects effortlessly. And that's is it true. It's developed by Muhammad Munir Kamal. Thanks for the nice job. Thanks for the developing. It's a really useful and really easy going application. So how does it works? I just open the second page and just go into the apps and just type warp, and here is the application. As you can see, here is the logo, and pretty easy to use. First we just have to type the text what we want. Now it's not Canva teacher tutorial. Then, as usual, we can change the fonts as we want. Lots of really nice fonts are here. As usually I also mentioned here, if you would like to use any other text than English, might be the special characters are not in these fonts. Like I'm Hungarian, when I try to create any text in Hungarian, I check some special characters, is it exist in these fonts or not. Otherwise I have to choose another font. But now just choosing some choose the bagel fat. We can choose also the color, even we can use the color picker, like now from here. Scrolling down, we can choose between different types, shapes. You can see immediately the different warps in the top in the preview. As you can see, we can see already the preview here in this small preview window. And then we can go in down. We also have this sub types. Not every type has it. Like this one doesn't have it. But for example, the basic type, yes. And even here we can change the band. Like here I did maximum or the minimum, but this minimum is just a totally flat text. We can change up and down, and there is a third one, which is a rolled one, and then we can even just a band I just increased or decrease. Even this roll is changed. That's pretty funny. So if we wanted to create something really funny, we can create, for example, a text where it's starting with a 0, then increasing the band, the beat, and then that's we can create 4 or 5 different texts, and looks a funny element on the to the Canva. Sorry, just thinking what I would like to show you also. But the one thing what I don't like in this application, and also the developer listening to me, when I create anything, we do not have a function to revert back to zero, revert back to the original page. I mean, we cannot do anything else than. This one is not so cool as this text, but oh, sorry, I wasn't right. So yes, if we click outside of the element what we created, that's nice. So we cannot reset the application, but as you can see, we can really reset the application. So that was my fault to didn't recognize it before. I do not remember what I used. Bagel fat? I think it was a bagel fat. And yeah, the color was color picker was somewhere here. Yes. And use these types and just reducing to 9, I think, just adding to the design. Yeah, like this. Okay. And we can create also more if we want, but now I just would like to show you other types. This one we just changed we can change only the height of the word, but even we can going down to minus. Here is a bit different, but actually have a same effect. Here you can also have the band, upstairs, downstairs, like now this a bridge, which is pretty cool. That's what I did. I click on outside of the application, and this one I don't like. When you click outside of the application, this is happening. It's we're losing everything. So there are plenty of features what we can do in this application with all the settings. And that's this one what I was like it. Yeah, just typing Canva teacher. No, this one looks good. I just want to change the color to like red and add to design. Yes. Just moving more to up and moving down. And as you can see, still, if we are click on the item what we created, we can still editing it. And if we editing it and just click on the update element, you can see immediately the element is updated as we created in the in the editor. So it's a really pretty easygoing application, really effortless, nice warp effects. I really like it. Really easy to use. The application is highly recommended if you would like to create some unique text for your designs. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you will like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if I miss anything from this tutorial or you miss something from the tutorial. or if you're struggling anything in a Canva, please also visit my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description where you can find another nice tutorials, not only from me, also from another Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text to image prompts for image generation for different kind of applications. So if you are also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned before, you can find the link in the description. But now this tutorial is really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.